Hi, this is Eric and I'm Andrew, and this is our embedded OS final project, where we created a TCP connection-based game that can be hosted on multi-devices, multiple platforms, and is a touchscreen slash keyboard component game. First thing, we can see that there are 3 instances of the game here, as well as 3 instances of the game, one on the computer and then 2 on the Raspberry Pi, where you can have movements on the screen, where we have keyboard movements, as well as touchscreen components, where we can easily move around and can see that this game is cross-platform. As we can see that we're firing bullets across platforms, we can move across platforms, find characters that are across platforms as well, and just overall the design of the project, you can see the score as well as the overall game.
So essentially, we first had to establish how to get devices to communicate with each other, and we have a basic client-server model where we have TCP ports communicating with each other. It was a fair amount of effort to actually get the API calls working because of our network configurations and dealing with the results of the DHCP, but eventually when we were able to get data to at least talk to other devices, we were then able to set up first the Pygame that would only run locally, just verify that our vision like some sort of vision mechanic works, that we can fire bullets alone, and then we set up a data structure, a data transfer object that we could serialize and deserialize and push through the ports, and then so that clients and servers can communicate with each other. So essentially, this is acting as a client. There's a separate process running as a client. All of these instances are, including this one, so there are 6 clients that have connected to this server and are able to relay requests, and the server is able to respond with the state and the field of view available to that particular player.
And yeah, definitely. We can see that we can have a computer as a client as well as a server at the very same time. And overall, we just created a platform that you can create your own games as well as your own data transfer objects. And thank you.